If you're a landlord in California and need a residential lease agreement that's structured, professional, and already built around California's required disclosures, this video will walk you through exactly what we offer and how it works. This California lease is part of the Landlord resources available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with property owners and managers who want paperwork that's clear, practical, and ready to use without having to piece together multiple forms. Our California Residential Lease Agreement is designed for single-family homes, condos, and tiny residential rentals. It follows a clean format so the most important terms are easy to enter and reference later. At the front of the lease is a summary page where you'll provide details like tenant names, rent amount, deposits, lease term, and payment instructions. Then it includes important California notices and disclosures like the statewide rent cap and just cause eviction rules under AB 1482. Our comprehensive California lease is available either as an instant PDF download or a professionally printed packet mailed to you on heavyweight premium paper. And for those landlords that want more than just a lease, we offer a complete California rental forms kit. It includes the lease plus commonly used documents like a rental application and move-in condition forms. If you're preparing for a new tenancy, the kit helps keep everything simple, organized, and ready to use. You can order your California Residential Lease Agreement or the full California Rental Forms kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.